Hello, good morning, dear children. This is the rest part of the detailing to the chapter 2 of your book Be High, and the chapter is The Sound of Music, written by Deborah Colley. Now let's see, I am going to detail paragraph 2. See the line, Evelyn Glennie's laws of hearing. I have already detailed first paragraph in the previous video. This is the second paragraph. Evelyn Glennie's laws of hearing. See children, slowly and slowly, Evelyn started losing the power of hearing. And one day she was absolutely deaf. She became completely, absolutely deaf. She was unable to hear. Now next line, her mother remembers noticing. See children, I am not going to read the paragraph line by line. Just I am only detailing it. Now second, in the first line, her mother remembers noticing. See, Isabel Glennie is the name of Evelyn's mother. You can see here given as Isabel Glennie in the paragraph given is the name of Evelyn's mother. Evelyn's mother, Isabel, recollects one incident. See, her mother is just recollecting one incident. When Evelyn was 8 years old, she says that Evelyn was waiting for her chance, for her turn to play the piano. But when her name was called out, Evelyn did not respond. So children, Evelyn's mother is sharing one incident of Evelyn at the age of 8 years. When Evelyn wanted to get a turn to play the piano, and when her mother called out, Evelyn did not respond. She did not reply. And her mother realized that Evelyn did not respond to her name. That means she did not hear her name being called out. Now next line, for quite a while Evelyn managed. See this line. As Evelyn lost her sense of hearing in phases mean it doesn't mean that she lost her hearing power suddenly, all of a sudden. She did not become deaf completely at the instantly or suddenly. She was becoming deaf gradually, slowly and slowly, in phases. Okay, it was a gradual process. You can see the meaning given, conceal meaning hide. Okay children, conceal meaning hide. Her growing deafness. In the beginning, when she could hear partially means not completely, she managed to hide, that means conceal, this disability from her friends and teachers. See, even Evelyn tried to conceal. She wanted to keep it hidden, even from her friends and teachers. Evelyn did not want that her friends and teachers must know that she has become deaf. She too did not want from her friends and teachers. Now next line children, but by the time. Let's see, but by the time she was 11. When Evelyn was 11 years old, her mark has started deteriorating. See the word meaning deteriorated. Deteriorated means reducing, reduced, worsened. She was becoming worse and worse. Her marks deteriorated, got less, reduced. Okay children, so what the headmistress did then? The headmistress requested her parents to take Evelyn to the specialist. Specialist means a doctor specializing in a particular part of the body. So even the headmistress also suggested her parents to take to a specialist. Now next line it was then discovered. Next line, it was this discovered. When the doctor checked upon Evelyn, he found out that Evelyn had lost the sense of hearing. Okay, children. Now next, they were advised. Next line, see children, they were advised to the last line now. The doctor advised Evelyn's parents that they should get hearing aids for her. Hearing aids, what is a hearing aids? Hearing aids, children, it is an equipment that is filled into ear and it helps a person to hear some accents. So, the doctor advised to keep that hearing aid in her ear. He also suggested that Evelyn should be sent to school for the deaf children. Even doctor too suggested her to take Evelyn to a school especially for the deaf children. Now next, everything turned black. You can see the last line given. Everything suddenly looked blank. What does everything suddenly looked black mean, children? See this line. When Evelyn discovered that she could not hear and that she would be sent to a school for deaf children, that she was not as good as normal children. Her world became colorless. It turned black. Now, what does everything suddenly looked black mean, children? It means that all of a sudden you get such bad news. You get some news that you don't expect. And in return you see blackness all around you. That is how Evelyn responded to this news. When she too came to know that she was going to be sent to a school for the deaf children, everything, this was a sudden news. It was a bad news for her. And this bad news she had never expected that she would be getting. And thus it came to her end. Now coming to the paragraph 3. Okay. See the next para 3. But Evelyn was not going to give up. See the next line. Evelyn was not going to give up. See, this shows that Evelyn had determination. Evelyn was a very courageous, bold, and a determined girl. She did not lose her patience. She did not give up. Rather, she was determined. Although Evelyn got such a shocking news, still she was determined and she did not want to give up in her life. Now children, next line, she was determined, next line, to lead a normal life. This one. As Evelyn was passionate about music, she has a great passion, great interest, great love for music. So Evelyn was passionate about music. This news also did not break her because she has great passion. So dear children, if you have a great interest in any particular thing, nothing can stop you. So in spite of being deaf, this bad news did not break her because she has great passion, interest, love for music. So she was determined to live life like normal people. Okay. and she started pursuing her drum interest. Pursue means to follow. Okay, children? She followed, determined to live life like normal people and follow her interest in music. Pursue means follow her interest in music. See, children, from here also we get a lesson. She got a very bad news. She was completely deaf and she was to be sent to a school for the deaf children, but she did not lose her heart. She was determined because she has great interest in music. Now next line, one day. The next line, one day she noticed a girl playing. You can see, when Evelyn saw a girl playing the xylophone. What is xylophone? It is a musical instrument with a row of wooden bars of different length. It is also a musical instrument having row, okay, one after the other, wooden bars of different length. She wanted to play it too. So when she saw another girl playing xylophone, she also wanted to play that. So next line, most of the teachers. Next line you can see, children. We are coming to most of the teachers. See here. Most of the teachers. Now, on one hand, Evelyn's teachers discouraged her because they knew that she could not hear and hearing was an important part of music. Now, children, do you think is it good that the teachers were trying to discourage her, trying to make her weak, thinking that she is deaf, she cannot hear, so how she could be learning music if she could not hear, and hearing was an important part of music, is it not, children? So the teachers also tried to discourage her, okay? But a very special person, Ron Forbes, you can see a special person. Ron Forbes is spotted meaning found her potential. Potential means her quality, okay, children, her ability, her capability. So Ron Forbes saw that Evelyn was very passionate. She has keen interest, deep interest about music. And so Ron Forbes, who is Ron Forbes, children? Ron Forbes is a percussionist. Percussionist meaning a person who play the drum, tabla, etc. So Ron Forbes was a popular percussionist, okay? And he saw the potentiality of Evelyn. So he decided something to do for Evelyn. Okay, children? Now, next paragraph, we will continue from here. He began by turning too large. From there, we will continue in the next video. Till then, children, bye to you. Thank you all.